Good day everyone. This video is about development of learners at various stages in their developmental tasks. First is about prenatal period. It is progress before birth. In prenatal development have three phases. First is terminal stage. First 2 weeks conception, implantation, formation of placenta. The second is embryonic stage. 2 weeks to 2 months formation of vital organs and systems. And the last is fetal stage. 2 months to birth, bodily growth continues, movement capability begins, brain cells multiply, age of viability. It is an overview of fetal development. It involves tremendous growth from a single cell to an organism complete with brain and behavioral capabilities. Next is infancy. It is about birth to 2 years. Extreme depends on adults. Beginning psychological activities include language, symbolic thought, sensory motor, coordination, and social learning. Language of newborn is the cry. Usually it's every 2 to 3 hours. Uncoordinated movements, toothless, poor vision, focusing range 8 to 12 inches, usually doubles weight by 9 months, responds to human voice and touch. Next is infancy in 1 year old. Change from plump baby to leaner, more muscular toddler. Begins to walk and talk. Ability for passive language, better understanding of what's being said. Tentative sense of independence, determined explorer. Next is infancy in 2 years old. Begins to communicate verbally, like name, etc. Can usually speak in 3 to 4 word sentences. Famous for negative behavior like no to everything, temper tantrums, and will play side by side other children but does not actively play with them, and great imitators. Number 3. Early childhood, 3 to 5 years. In 3 years old, wants to be just like parents. Vocabulary and pronunciation continue to expand. Climb stairs with alternating feet. Can briefly stand on one foot. Early childhood in 4 years old. Sentences are more complex. Speaks well enough for strangers to understand. Imagination is vivid. Line between what is real and imaginary is often indistinct. Develops fears, common fears, fear of dark, fear of animals, and fear of death. Early childhood in 5 years old. Can hop on one foot and skip. Can accurately copy figures. May begin to read. Socialize with other children their age. Number 4. Middle and late childhood. It is about 6 to 12 years old. Both large and small muscles well developed. Develop complex motor skills from independent activities to same-sex group activities. Acceptance by peers, very important. Parental approval still important. Number 5 is adolescent. It is about 13 to 18 years old. Traumatic life stage for child and parent. Puberty occurs. Extremely concerned with appearance, trying to establish self-identity. Confrontation with authority. Number 6 is about adulthood. 19 to 29 years. Physical development complete. Emotional maturation continues to develop. Usually learn to accept responsibility for actions and accept criticism. Usually knows how to profit from errors. Socially progress from age-related peer groups to people with similar interests. Number 7. Middle adulthood, 30 to 60 years old. Physical changes begin to occur. Hair begins to turn gray, wrinkles appear, hearing and vision decrease, muscles lose tone. And the main concerns are children, health, job security, aging parents, fear of aging. And last is love and acceptance still take a major role. Number 8 is about late adulthood, 61 years and above. Fastest growing age bracket of society, physical deterioration, brittle bones, poor coordination, some memory problems, coping with retirement and forms of entertainment, very concerned with health and finances, significant number become depressed, suicide rate is high.